Everyone wants a richer future, but most people skip the basics. Welcome to Personal Finance 101. Step 1. Know where your money goes. Budgeting isn't restriction, it's awareness. Track your spending like you track your calories or your steps. Confetti pops when your savings grow. Step 2. Save for the unexpected. Even a small emergency fund like $500 turns stress into security. Step 3. Tackle debt first, especially credit cards. Paying off high interest is like earning a guaranteed return. Step 4. Start investing early. The power of compound growth means that small contributions today can snowball into big wealth tomorrow. Step 5. Be patient. Wealth grows from habits, not quick wins. Focus on consistency, and future you will thank present you. Personal Finance 101 is simple. Budget, save, pay off debt, invest, and stay consistent. Start small today and your richer future is already in motion.
Subscribe to the below channel. Why not finance?